Our family eats a lot of pasta, and when it comes to sauce, we all love this homemade red pasta sauce. It's easy to make and tastes as good, if not better, than your favorite jarred spaghetti sauce.
Joanne clearly enjoys this sauce.
You'll start by cooking finely chopped shallots or onion in olive oil. Then when they are soft, stir in a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a quarter teaspoon of Aleppo pepper or crushed red pepper flakes, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Cook for about a minute and then pour in 2 large cans of whole tomatoes, salt, and pepper. Cook the sauce, breaking the tomatoes up with a spoon so it's chunky. Simmer until reduced by a third and then stir in lots of fresh basil. It's totally up to you how chunky you'd like your sauce. I leave it as is, but you can always blend for a smoother sauce. This red pasta sauce is perfect with spaghetti, chicken parmesan, eggplant parmesan, lasagna, and more. I cannot wait for you to try it. See you next time.